You said the casing's broken somewhere?
Yeah, I'm sure it's broken. I think it's the bottom corner. That's where the bolt was in.
No, it was just sitting there. Okay. You got that thing?
Yeah. I'm just gonna drop it. Okay, in case of taking drive shafts off, and that linkage, and then these pipes, and that cable.
$14's the same. I'm taking this off at the Universal. That's where you want it taken off, right?
What?
I'm taking this off at this Universal. Is that where you want it taken off?
Yeah. Well, we have this drive shaft off. I want to make sure we grease it back to the Universal joint. Okay, where that bolt broke out, it didn't, it's not leaking there, but sure leaking somewhere else. Oh, it's the seal on the PTO is leaking badly. Up there, that top drive shaft.
Okay. Yeah.
That seal up there is leaking.
I need to turn this drive shaft. What's the chances of that happening?
Try turning.
Huh?
Try turning.
It's not going to turn. It's not going to turn.
Thank you.
Huh?
That U-joint had it.
Okay.
There's no needles in it. Worried about dropping it. There's nothing in it. You can't grease this one, so that's one reason why it's like that.
Yeah.
It's a ready U-joint to do.
So that's a little spin now?
Should spin now. Which way do you want it to go?
I got it. Maybe a bar, Dad. You get some bars?
A pry bar?
Just stuff we can stick in places. This one's just sitting here, it's ready to tape.
Okay. If you hold it up, I'll tape it. Can you lift? I can't lift it here. Camera off here.
Would that need to be tied up, or do it down out of the way, or what's?
Can you just lay over on the frame?
No, I don't think it'll reach there.
No, there's a little frame up there. There, okay. Okay, what else is hooked up to this thing? We got a brake line and this cable. There's a lower drive shaft there yet. Alright.
Yeah, I didn't get to that yet.
Lower drive shaft. I'll work on these cables if you want to get that drive shaft.
Well, there's a flange there. Like a 5/8 or 11.
Wrench, please. I think it's just our two strip bolts that are holding it. So let's wrap the chain around this top piece here.
There's one in there, it's a big chain, but it's short. Hey, sit down.
I think we got it. Take our strip bolts out of there.
Better than doing this in January. That chunk of casting, where is that from?
Bottom.
So we're missing a bolt in the bottom as well, or did you already take that out?
Missing two bolts in there. One bolt. I found one bolt. I need another bolt.
Wesley weld those two sides together.
Yep. Don't have to look forward.
It's like you needed about an inch extension.
I don't know. Some wonderful job. Part of my tool.
Let me do that from here.
swing way over your way, but let's go.
No, keep dropping it. Alright, you're in. Get that bug.
That's the piece that broke right there. See, I thought that it went right through into the machine. I'm not sure that it does.
Either way, it'd be hard to repair. Lift this thing. Try.
It had a new spring and ball in there. This shaft wouldn't keep popping out. Because I don't think there's anything wrong with the shaft. It's the spring is too weak to hold it.
That's in this or the transmission?
No, it's in this. This is our. This thing's how old? That's the PTO. That's got nothing to do with the transfer case. That just unbolts right there. This is still running out of it. I think we got to tip it up on its back. Where it's coming from, this keeps coming. I just filmed this the other day.
Did you? So we were able to get this forward reverse box and transfer case all mounted back in here. And we got some new bolts. And all your new universal sections here. A bunch of new ones. So we just put it in there today and get it ready and test it out and working pretty good. So I put our belly pan back on. But yeah, this thing's all back together. This winter we put all new walking beam pins in this thing.